What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your camera is not focusing on your Redmi 13. So first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on apps. Now in apps tap on manage apps and then look for the camera app. Now go to the bottom left corner and here you will see a force stop option. So force stop the camera app and then tap on OK. Now after force stopping the camera app, the focusing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches including the camera focusing issue. But after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open camera. Now swipe down to open this menu, and from this menu tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down to the end and tap on restore default settings, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after resetting the camera settings back to default, it will fix the camera focusing issue. So that's how you can fix camera not focusing on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.